Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from HUAWEI MatePad 10.4 2022 to an Android device. You need to begin by opening Play Store on an Android and App Gallery on HUAWEI. Then click on the search bars, type in Send Anywhere and install this free app from this developer. Then open it. From this screen here, you need to tap on I accept, confirm, continue and allow. Then do exactly the same on HUAWEI. Now I need to rotate my tablet real quick, and after that select receive on an Android and send on HUAWEI. Now you need to click on all of those type of dots on HUAWEI tablet and choose send. This way you can choose all of your files and transfer them. It will take a long time though, so I will only go with this one photo, choose send and click on get it. Over here on an Android, choose no thanks and close this window. As you can see now, we have two ways to connect. We can input this key over here and then connect those devices by choosing receive. But we can always scan this QR code instead by choosing the scanning icon on an Android, selecting allow or only this time in the pop-up and pointing, and then point our device's camera at the code. So now, as you can see, after a couple of seconds, my photo was successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!